Hey, it's Denise Graves. What's happening in San Antonio today? So, what's on the horizon? We got 106-degree heat. It's another record heat day in San Antonio. But in spite of all that, San Antonio was recently voted one of the friendliest cities in the U.S. We're nice no matter what. It must be the great Mexican food we have. So, what else is on the horizon? The Spurs are coming back and rebuilding the empire. They just hired, or it's been a while, hired a 7'9", 19-year-old, I believe, named Wemby for short, which sounds kind of cute, but I hear this guy can really play. And they're starting their new legacy with the Rocket Lock and Terra. Now, what they're doing that's really cool there, and if you read the San Antonio Business Journal article, you know about it. They're doing like a 10,000 square foot venue that has bars, restaurants, and I'm talking top-notch food. And the cool thing is if you're a member, either corporate or individual, then you can go and watch the Spurs practice. You can watch televised games. It'd be a great place to have a corporate party and invite all your clients to watch the Spurs practice or maybe play and enjoy a really world-class meal perhaps, or drinks. It's a great place to gather. So San Antonio is doing a lot of fun, new things. It is a city on the rise, and it continues to surprise us and thrill us with all the fun things they're doing. So a great, happy place to live, very friendly, probably the great food, the river walk, and now the new Lock and Terra, the Rocket Lock and Terra, the Spurs new project. So I love that we've had the Spurs with us. Thank you, Red McCombs, for a while. He left this great legacy, and we've watched them play some exciting basketball we've seen, and now we're elevating our sport. Now, this is the first time that the NBA has ever done anything like this. So this huge park, so we've got a dog park, we've got practice venues, we've got sports and everything going on there right at Lock and Terra. So right at 1604 and 10, you've got all this activity. So what does this mean for the real estate market? Well, San Antonio's friendly. We've got great food. We've got the Riverwalk. We've got the Spurs. People are still moving here. It's still one of the best places to live. So whether you're in your house and you got a great interest rate and you want to do a project and make it better, or you need something bigger or smaller, the Graves Group is here to help you in San Antonio and the Hill Country find the home in your dreams so you can be part of the friendliest city in the U.S.